Hi, Chad and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 438 Hugel Avenue in Midland. This legal triplex is located in a historic neighborhood, literally 500 meters from the water.
Absolutely, we have a gorgeous triplex here. There's 3 separate units. Upstairs you have a 1-bedroom, and then you have a 2-bedroom in the middle and 2 bedrooms down below. You have separate coin laundry in the basement for all 3 units. The 2 bedrooms in the back have been completely renovated as well, which is fantastic.
One of the best features about this unit is the fact that 2 of the units are vacant, so you can set market rent. Let's go inside and take a closer look.
I hope you enjoyed your tour. Like I mentioned before, one of the best parts of this property is you have 2 vacant units. That gives you some great potential cash flow, not to mention they're completely renovated.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team and we know investment properties. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.